Have you ever heard this before? If God is so good, then how come there's so much evil in this world? Then you're going to want to watch this video to the end to hear what one of the most famous scientists said about this issue. One day, this young scientist was in his physics class, and the professor was ridiculing the idea of God. And he was saying, if God is so good, and if there's nothing evil in God, and if God is so holy, then how come God created the devil, and the devil is evil? So that must mean that God created evil. The young student rose his hand up and said, is there such a thing in science as something being cold? The professor said, of course not. There's no such thing as cold. Cold is just the absence of heat, the absence of kinetic energy. And the young student said, well, exactly, professor. God did not create evil. Evil is the absence of godliness. Do you know who this young student was? Albert Einstein. He believed in God. He had faith in God. And he knew that God was not the creator of evil, but evil was the absence of godliness. The evidences of God are everywhere. If you see evil, it's not because God created it. It's because it's the absence of godliness. And the solution is to put